Another Global News exclusive to tell you about tonight. Marc Nadon, the Prime Minister's choice to fill a vacant seat on the Supreme Court bench, is no longer interested in the job. Last week, the High Court rejected Nadon's qualifications, much to the surprise of the Harper government. Our Ottawa Bureau Chief Jacques Bourbeau has the details. Jacques?
Well, Robin, 4 days after the Supreme Court ruled he wasn't eligible to sit on Canada's highest court, Justice Marc Nadon has broken his silence. He spoke to Global News today, and Nadon says he hasn't taken the one action that might still pave the way for him to take a seat on the Supreme Court. Now, the court ruled Nadon can't be appointed because he's not a member of the Quebec bar. But Nadon told Global News, "I haven't applied to the bar, so leave it at that." And he gave no indication he's planning to do so. Ever since the ruling, the Conservatives have refused to rule out renaming Nadon to the Supreme Court, but today he effectively closed the door to his chances of ever sitting on Canada's highest court.
That's a personal decision for him, of course, and what concerns me in much of this is any suggestion that Mr. Justice Nadon has been anything other than an exquisite judge and public servant for 20 years. In the broader picture is that we intend to move as expeditiously as possible to ensure that the Supreme Court of Canada has a full complement of judges.
Appointing Marc Nadon didn't come cheap. The process, including getting outside legal opinions, cost taxpayers almost $250,000, a figure that adds to the controversy surrounding Nadon's nomination. And Nadon revealed to Global News it hasn't been easy living under this spotlight. "I've been living in limbo, since October," Nadon told Global News, "so at least this has ended the uncertainty." And Nadon's comments today also end any uncertainty for the Conservatives, who now have no choice but to find another Quebec candidate for the Supreme Court. Robin?
All right, thanks, Jacques. For the full exclusive conversation with Marc Nadon, go to globalnews.ca.